Hi, I'm Jason with Dick Hannah Dealerships, and today I'm going to be taking you on a test drive with the 2017 Subaru BRZ Limited. So come on, let's go for a ride. This car is a beautiful design with its nice lines coming down it. It's low profile, it's aluminum alloy wheels with four-wheel disc brake. The rear spoiler, I mean, this is a sports car, but it's not like some sports cars that just scream they want attention. I mean, this has kind of a subtle look to it, and I know a lot of people kind of prefer that. I mean, this is just like, I want a car that I want to have fun with, I can take out, but at the same time, I can also just use it as a daily driver. One of the first things you'll notice when getting into this car is the seats. Now, it's a four-seater. Granted, the back seats don't have a whole lot of room, but it's really good for storage. Plus, if you need extra storage, the seats will fold down so that you can have larger items in the trunk, which the trunk is a pretty good space. But as far as the front seats, they're heated with heated side mirrors too. That's part of the cold weather package. And what I really like is the side bolsters on it. Like, it's not like some cars where you feel like too constricted with it. Inside the vehicle, it doesn't feel like it's cheaply built. I mean, it has this vinyl on the dash, but that's kind of a soft touch, and it's really nice. You got the leather wheel, the leather on the door here, and the armrest. Yeah, there's some plastic stuff like the turn signals and wipers, but those aren't that big of a deal. I mean, they still feel pretty solid. And on the center console here, you actually have metal switches and knobs for the climate control and such. And that's just really nice because, I mean, even the plastic stuff feels good, but this one, I actually like having the metal knobs. This car is a 2.0 liter direct injection boxer motor. So it sits really low in the engine well, and that helps with the handling aspect of it. But this has two options as well. You can get the 6-speed automatic transmission or the 6-speed manual transmission. Now, the difference between the two, I mean, they're pretty similar, but the automatic one has the paddle shifters on the steering wheel, and the manual one has a better intake manifold. I love the shifting on here. Even on the automatic, the shifting is just really quick. I mean, there's no delay to it at all. As soon as you hit that, it's like, boom, next gear. If you really want speed, you can get the manual transmission BRZ. The 0 to 60 time on that is 6.1 seconds, which, I mean, that's actually pretty quick if you really tried it. But if you get the automatic, it's a 7.3, so a little slower, but it's still not bad. But either way, whatever BRZ you choose to get, you're still getting that great handling. This has some pretty good power at the lower RPMs, but when you get up to the upper range, then you can really feel this taking off. It's almost like you just get up to the upper RPMs and you just hold on tight, and it's like, all right, I don't want to let go. Car, do your thing. I'll be here if you need me. I mean, it's just, the controlling is just fantastic. Oh, it's a beautiful day for this. I love just going on these back roads on a sunny day like this. I mean, that's what this car is made for. Well, I mean, you can use it as a daily driver, and that's not a bad way to go. But, I mean, when you get a sports car like this, especially one with handling like this, you don't want to just use it for your daily commute and stop and go traffic. You want to be able to, like, kind of take it out and let it stretch its legs out a bit. Oh, windy road ahead. Don't mind if I do. Yeah, I mean, it's great too being out here because you just kind of have the road to yourself, and you just can do what you want and really just have fun with it. Here's you go. Oh yeah. Oh, that was cool. All right. Oh man, this thing's zippy. I'm just flying down the road now, and wow, it's very responsive. I love being able to just kind of fly down the highway like this, and you feel like you're constantly in control here. This thing has really good handling, and there's a lot of get up and go with it as well. But at the same time, it feels safe. Oh man. Yeah, this thing has some kick to it. I love these straightaways where you can just let it open up and just go. I mean, that's when you can really feel the power and really appreciate this thing. So that was a 2017 Subaru BRZ Limited. If you have any questions or want to check out one in person, come down to Dick Hannah Subaru at the Vancouver Auto Mall.